Good day, Phoebius alumni, on our homecoming day. I am Ray Domingo, a 1975 Bachelor of Theology graduate. Forgive me for my failures to attend our alumni homecoming. On some cases, I was informed, but my responsibilities and appointments dissuaded me from coming. During our time at Phoebius, we were blessed greatly by the teaching ministry of Mr. Clifford Bedell. He was one of the most liked instructor during our time. In fact, all instructors were appreciated by the studentry. Because I was already married during my studies at Phoebius with 3 sons and pastoring an established congregation, I had not had any dormitory experiences. You know, I prayed for 11 consecutive years to be able to enter Phoebius. Practically, daily requesting the Lord to give me the privilege to study at Phoebius. My request was granted when I was then 29 years old, and most of my classmates were 17 years of age. I enjoyed the classroom discussions, the research, the assignments, even the assignments of those 2 unit subjects which you have to spend 3 hours of your time to finish. My only time of study during my student years was during siesta time. I was checking out books from the library and studied at the boys' dorm lounge. One time, I fell asleep while sitting at the sofa. The dean of men came and scolded me. It pained me, but I rationalized that he was just doing the task assigned to him to do. The daily chapel hour at Phoebius was the time I look forward to. It was time for spiritual refreshing and time to know what is happening in the world in reference to Christian mission. How I wish to know the respective ministry of my co-alumni, especially my classmates. I surrender all is the song I always want to hear, and Joshua 1:8 is usually the scripture verse that I use to remind myself of and to use in counseling people. 4 months from now, I will turn 80 years old. Before seeing our master, I am requesting to allow me to train more workers for the kingdom. God bless us all. Thank you.